We've lived in this house about 10 years now. We experienced quite a lot of granule loss, and some of the plywood needed to be replaced in the roof. So we called up Guardian. We had a really good experience with them. We worked with a project manager named Patrick. Patrick was really professional, really kept us up to speed on the status of the project and let us know kind of what work needed to be completed in order to finish the project. Completed the project within a couple days, did a great job of making sure that the property was cleaned up when they were done. Gave us a good sense of what maintenance would be required to keep up the roof going forward, and the roof looks awesome. We also had them replace the gutters as part of this project because the gutters were falling down. Did an awesome job replacing the gutters. They even went above and beyond to make sure that they matched paint in order to do a little bit of spot painting around the house. So that wound up looking really great as well.